Are you tired of learning feeling like a chore? What if we could make it as engaging and addictive as your favorite video game? Stick around because in the next 2 minutes, we're diving into the exciting world of gamification in education. It's the process of adding game-like elements to non-game situations, and it's revolutionizing the way we learn. We're talking about features you'd normally find in video games like earning points, collecting badges, and climbing leaderboards, but integrated into educational activities. This approach turns traditional learning into an interactive and fun experience. The gamification education goal is to tap into our natural human desires for competition and achievement to make learning more motivating. By making learning feel more like a game, students are more likely to stay focused and actively participate. A study even found that e-learning gamification centered around challenges boosted student achievement by nearly 90% compared to a traditional teaching approach. Gamification leverages key principles to enhance the learning process. Things like points and badges. These provide immediate feedback and a sense of accomplishment. Leaderboards. A little friendly competition can be a great motivator for some learners. Progress bars. These visually show learners how far they've come and what they have left to master. Storylines and avatars. Creating a narrative or allowing students to have a personalized avatar can make the gamification in learning and development journey more immersive. These elements help create a more engaging and personalized learning experience. You've probably already seen gamification in action on platforms like Duolingo or Khan Academy. In the corporate world, companies are also using it to make employee training more effective. In fact, seeing these strategies in the real world is the best way to understand their power. I actually created a whole video showing
problem solving and collaborative activities.
If you want to see exactly how these gamified systems are built, you can check that video out. Now, gamification isn't a magic bullet. It's important to use it thoughtfully. Overemphasizing competition or external rewards could potentially diminish a student's natural curiosity. Plus, designing effective gamified learning requires careful planning and resources. But when done right, gamification can be a powerful tool to make education more dynamic, engaging, and effective for all types of learners. It can transform passive students into active participants in their own learning journey. What are your thoughts on gamification in education? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of learning. Thanks for watching.